My name is Justin Waffle, Director of Instruction here at Masonboro Country Club in Wilmington, North Carolina. In today's tip, what we're going to be talking about is putting posture. Form dictates function, so it's very important that our posture and setup is correct because it's going to dictate our putting stroke and how consistent it will be. So what I have is a simple drill just to work on a couple key essentials. So we have three key essentials that we need to focus on. One, getting our eyes over the golf ball. Two, our balance, making sure that we have correct balance. And three, we have the correct arm hang. So in this drill, what we're going to do is stick the club straight out. I want to make sure that the club and our arms are on the same plane. So as you can see here, you can see that my arms, wrists, and club are all on the same plane. My wrists are locked, and ready to go. So from this position, what we're going to do is just pull it in slightly, and what we're doing is working on getting the correct arm hang. So what we're doing is going to pull it in until we get a light connection between our elbows and our rib cage. So this would be too much pulled in, as you can see, and that's not enough. So we want to just get that light connection right there. From here, what we want to do is put a golf ball down, and we're going to bend over so that our eyes are over the golf ball. To ensure that we have the proper distance from the golf ball, making sure that we have the proper balance, we're going to look for 2.5 to 3 putter heads from the inside of the golf ball away from our toes. So if you look, there's 1, 2.5. So I'm 2.5, making sure I get my eyes over the golf ball. Now, the key thing here is to make sure, again, we have the correct distance so that we get the correct lean over the golf ball to make sure that we get the correct arm hang. So, as you can see, my eyes are over the golf ball. I have a good amount of arm hang, which is going to allow me to use my big muscles, my shoulders, my back muscles to make this consistent stroke and have the arms function correctly. And two, now my balance is correct so that my weight is kind of right in the balls of my feet, and my hips, the center of my hip is in line with the back of my heel. So those are your 3 checkpoints that you want to look for. If you're failing to get into a good setup where your arms are hanging correctly, your weight's distributed correctly, and your eyes are over the golf ball, then what you might have is a problem with the putter length. Majority of players have the incorrect putter length, and as a result, can't get into the correct posture, and as a result of that, cannot make a consistent stroke where they hit the center of the club face every time and cannot produce the correct roll. So make sure, if you can't get into the correct posture, come see me, take a look and make sure that we have the correct putter length. And if you're still struggling, let's do a putting lesson. Let's get you into that correct posture so that we can make more putts. I hope this tip helps you.